Welcome to Angular Fundamentals with TypeScript course powered by Pact Publishing. My name is Bartlomiej Potaczek and I am a software engineer with more than 3 years experience, programming mostly in JavaScript. I'm a big fan about everything related to React Word, functional programming and data visualization. I'm a co-founder of InitLearn and currently I am working on rewriting frontend for TV.nu, a Swedish most complete TV guide for more over 200 channels. In the first section, I will introduce you into TypeScript, where we will install and run TypeScript compiler. And at the end, we'll learn the basics of the TypeScript and do a bunch of practical examples with variables, arrays, functions, and so on. In the second section, we'll start working with Angular. We'll install Angular-CLI and do first hello world using Angular-CLI. Then in the third section, we'll work with components and events, where we'll create our first component and we'll learn how to listening to the events. Following that, we'll learn the basics of the Angular Directives and we'll create our own directive. Next, we'll learn and create interactive form with Angular Reactive Forms. And we will learn how to add form validation. In the sixth section, we'll learn what is a dependency injection. We'll create and inject a service into component and into another service. Then we will go through Angular routing. We'll create a simple application routing and learn how to add router navigation links and how to handle routes. Going forward, we will work with real hosted data, where we'll replace mock data with remote data using Angular HTTP module. And at the end of this course, I will show you how we can easily debug our code and run tests with Angular-CLI. When it comes to the prerequisites, you should be familiar with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, basic model view controller MVC concepts, the document object model DOM, JavaScript functions, events, and error handling. In this course, we are gonna use PHP Storm as a IDE, Node in version 8, TypeScript in version 2, Angular in version 4, but it's full compatible with version 2 and released version 5, and also Angular-CLI. Now that we know what lies ahead, let's jump right into the course.